Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover your CRA User ID. First, open your web browser and go to the official CRA sign-in page for individuals. Make sure you are on the correct website to keep your information safe. Once the page loads, look for the sign-in button and click on it. After that, select the option to sign in with CRA User ID and password. Now find and click on the link that says Forgot Your User ID. This option is usually located below the login fields. Clicking this will take you to the recovery page. On the recovery page, you will be asked to verify your identity. This step is important because it ensures that only you can access your account. Carefully enter your social insurance number, also known as SIN. Next, enter your date of birth. Make sure the format matches what is requested on the page. After that, you will need to provide the amount from your previous year's notice of assessment. Once all the information is entered correctly, the system will compare the details you provided with the records they have on file. If everything matches, your CRA User ID will be displayed on the screen. Thanks for watching.